Okay, so I got this interesting blister kit from Mueller. I plan on practicing the murph today, and I don't have my gear, so I went and bought this stuff. And there's directions. It says adhesive mesh. It says can be used on your feet from blisters and calluses. It says, so this stuff you cut to the shape, put it on, and it's like a sticker, and then foam pressure sheets, oval donut pad, the adhesive back closed cell. It says do not put on broken skin or blisters. And this is the hydrogen pad. Skin. So there's 3 different types of protection here that you can use. I'm assuming you just cut that stuff. And the areas where you cut your hands would be like right here. So we're gonna apply this stuff on. I think this will go better than this, but we'll see. Well, we're gonna see how wet we can get. We also only have 10% battery on here, so again, we're gonna do the murph with 10 pounds and a backpack. I was looking at the actual vest and the backpack, and that costs about $300 when you can just use a backpack and 10-pound weight from your local, you know, or whatever, you know, whatever weight in a backpack on your back, and use that. But for now anyways, so ooh, it's getting really wet. We're gonna have to check the forecast soon to see how long this is gonna last. This is a little bit wetter than I like it, so anyways, we're heading out there right now. So right now I'm using my steering wheel, and this padding, I can feel it, you know, working. There's actually a runner right there running outside in the rain, so no excuses, right? People do this all the time, running out in the rain. You know, it's not gonna hurt you. You might get a little bit cold, but yeah, this is the first time doing the murph with weight, and girls use 14 pounds and guys are supposed to use 20, so I'm doing half at 10. So yeah, that's gonna be a mountain to climb, but it's one stepping stone you can do to get there. So okay, so this is the backpack. It's actually a Lululemon backpack, but it's about the size. You know, there's like those wrecking backpacks that are like $300. Well, I have this one, and I've had it for a couple years, and they're known for good quality. quality backpack, so it's like, why wouldn't I? I'm adding this 10 pounder in here. And slide it in right in there. Oh, there's even one that has a little bit of a very tight fit. So a little bit tight. There's a little bit of like a, oh, I've never seen that one before, so that one's new. It'll last a little bit longer, so yeah. And should I wear it on my chest or on my back? Let me think. Chest or on my back? Maybe well, it's a backpack, so maybe wear it on my back for now. I don't know, I'll have to try it, but we'll get started. First round, buckle this up. There's no coverage, so there's trees around, but there's a hole right here for rain to come down on top of me. So it looks like it is gonna rain, so there it goes though, right? Okay, the first one came off. This one still on, so you might need a couple tries. Let's keep going. Buy a new one. So these seem a little bit, it's not very good with the wetness. Oh yeah, I definitely feel a weight. I definitely feel a weight when doing this, but that's one down. Okay, so this is on my chest. It's easier on your chest because when it's on your back, it flops around. So on your chest for the rest of the half. I'm at halfway, so a little bit more than half, but we're gonna keep going. It keeps raining too.